dark theme I've got. I like developing on a dark theme, but a lot of people don't. And I actually just realized this as I was recording the video, that I'm working on this dark theme. And it's probably not the best thing to do for recording. So I don't want you to suffer through my developing in a dark theme if you don't like it. And for recording, we're going to swap over to a white theme. So also, sorry if you do like the dark theme, because we're going to be using a white theme. But nonetheless, I wanted to show you that you can change from white to dark if you prefer it. So all you have to do is go over to your preferences, and in here in appearance, you can choose your theme. So you can go to default, and that'll be the white theme. So that's what we're going to be using throughout the course. My apologies that the last video was in dark theme. We're going to stick to this theme. Okay. This gives you this white theme. Now, by going back to the preferences, you can also change your editor. And in your editor, you've got your fonts. And you've got a bunch of other things here, like your color schemes and things like that. For the... sorry, I don't know why this is here. For the recording, I'm going to go over to my color scheme font, and I'm going to choose a different scheme. There's quite a few, and that gives you like different colors of your fonts. Like, for example, Twilight will give you a font that looks like this. Darkula will give you a font that looks like this. And I'm going to go with my recording scheme, which is one I've created, that has a nice readable font and is quite large, so you guys can see it in the video. So that's how you can change the font, the colors, and the theme in Pycharm, just in case you want to do that before you start developing. And there's quite a lot of fonts that you can use for developing. Normally, I recommend monospaced fonts. That's fonts where all the letters have the same spacing around them. All the letters are the same size. That just makes things a bit easier when you're programming. And if you're interested in knowing some of the fonts that I like for programming, just feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to tell you. Anyway, that's it for this video. Just a small side video to tell you about these themes before I make you suffer with my dark theme. Now we can move on to the next